Greetings everyone. In today's video, we will quickly learn how you can find a WordPress theme name a website is using and as well hide it manually without using any plugins. Let's get started.
For more contents like this, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
So first, let's know how anyone can find out the theme details of your website. For that, let's open our sample site and let's learn something.com/test. So this is our sample website. To find the exact theme name for this site, you can right click and go to View Page Source. Press Ctrl+F and type Themes. So you can see it's using a theme named Enfold. So this is one method. The other method to find the theme details is by going to the website wp-themedetector.com, copy the URL and paste it and search. So you can see it clearly shows the theme name and other details. So you may want to hide this name. There are some plugins that can do this, but we will be doing it manually. However, it is highly recommended to back up your website and database before changing the theme details. Anyway, to change the theme name, let's log into the website's dashboard wp-admin. Enter the credentials. So we are in the dashboard. Before changing the theme details of an existing website, we first need to download the theme settings. If you are building a brand new website, then you do not require to download the theme settings. Anyway, since this site is using Enfold, click on the theme's name, go to Import Export and click on Export Theme Settings. Please note, the location to export the theme settings might be different to every theme. Anyway, so the theme settings have been downloaded. I will keep it to the desktop. Now we need to access the website folders. You can use FTP or cPanel, but for now, we will use a simple plugin called WP File Manager, which will grant access to all the files. Go to Plugins and add New and search for File Manager. So this is the plugin. Install it. Please note, you do not need to download this plugin and can directly access the site via FTP or cPanel. Anyway, activate the plugin. Click on WP File Manager on the left. So here are all your website files. Click on WP-contained and click on Themes. So here are all the themes your site is using. Again, a reminder, please keep a backup of your website before changing the theme details. Anyway, now right click on the active theme, which is Enfold in this case, and copy it. Now create a new folder. Press enter. Open it, right click and paste the theme. Basically, we have duplicated the theme. Rename this theme folder to anything you want. I will just rename New Theme. Then drag it to the Themes folder. So the theme is here. The only reason we had to add it to a new folder first is it makes it easier to rename the folder name, as we cannot have the same folder name. Anyway, now you can delete the new folder. So open this new theme. Basically, we need to change the screenshot. If I go to Appearance and Theme, so we need to change this screenshot. Let me go back to File Manager. So delete this screenshot and upload another screenshot.png of the same size. Click here to upload. Select Files. I already had this screenshot made ready in the same PNG format and upload. So the screenshot has been updated. Please make sure the name is exactly the same, that is screenshot.png. Anyway, after that find style.css. Right click, click on code editor and replace all the theme information with anything you want. And save it. So we have changed the themes folder name and as well the theme details. Now again go to Appearance and Themes. So you can see the screenshot has changed. Please note, sometimes due to cache, you might see the same screenshot. You might have to clear the cache in that case. Anyway, so here the theme name has also been changed. Now activate this theme. So the theme has been activated. Now if I open the website, everything will be messed up. But please don't worry, it's actually normal. We only need to upload the theme settings we downloaded earlier. For that, again in the Enfold theme settings, we need to go to Import Export, click on Upload Theme Settings, select Files and Upload. So all the theme settings has been applied. Now let's again open the website. So everything looks good. Let me quickly right click and do the View Page Source. So you can see the theme name is what we wrote earlier. And if I search in wpthemedetector.com, again it is hidden and has the screenshot image we used. So this is how you can hide your theme details. If in case there are any issues, then you can always go back and activate your earlier theme. The site will work normally. One major drawback of this process, however, is while updating the theme. You will have to do it manually to update the theme. First, you will need to download the theme settings, then upload the new updated theme, replace screenshot, change the style.css details, theme name should exactly be the same, then delete the old theme and rename the theme folder with the exact name, and finally apply theme settings if required. So this is how you can update your theme. The process obviously is a little longer. After everything is done, you can actually deactivate and delete the File Manager plugin we installed earlier. This plugin was installed to access all the files, but you can always use cPanel or FTP. Hope this video was useful. Thank you very much.